Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about adding category, subcategory and courses to our Moodle site. Course category organizes Moodle courses for the teachers and students so that it will be easier for them to find their courses. Adding category is very simple. Now we move on to the process. After creating Genomio account, you have to log in. Under the dashboard, you can see site administration and then go to courses. Click add a category link. In that page, in parent category, by default, it will be in top because we are creating a new category. So it shows top. Here you can see many categories which I have created for my students. Then you can give the category name here. Now I am giving BSc Chemistry as a new category. Then you can give program outcome as a description. Otherwise leave it. Click create category. Now the new category is appear in the course and category management page. This is the parent category. Here you can see some symbols. This is the eye icon, up and down arrows and action icon. We can edit details of the course category by clicking the action icon drop down. Categories can be easily hidden or shown by clicking eye icon. Hidden categories are only visible to the site admin. Here you see categories can be sorted by ascending and descending orders. This is the icon from which you can move up and down the categories. Now you can see the category BSc Chemistry goes up and MSc Chemistry comes down. Now we move on to creating subcategories. Sometimes it will be useful to have a subcategory of course. For example, if you have a category science, then wish to have a subcategory physics, chemistry, biology. So we can make subcategory by clicking on the drop down menu which is near to the main category and select create new subcategory. Now I am going to create a new subcategory as batch 1. Under the main category of BSc Chemistry. Like this, you can create many categories and subcategories. If you want to create subcategory, before that, please be sure from where you have to create. Click on the drop down menu near that category. Now give create category. It shows in course and category management page. Under the main category BSc Chemistry, batch 1 will appear as a subcategory. Now we are going to add courses to our categories. First, you have to select under which category or subcategory you are going to create a course. Now I am going to create course under the batch 1 subcategory. So click here. Now you can see there is no courses in this category. Click on create new course button. In add a new course page, you can see general, description, course summary and more. In general settings, you give course full name. Now I am giving organic analysis as my course name. In course short name, you can give the subject code. Now I am giving our subject code. So, course category will be taken as BSc Chemistry Batch 1. Course visibility you can make show or hide. If you hide for students, it will not appear in the list of courses except teachers. You can give course starting date and ending date. I am giving 25th May as course start date and 25th June as course ending date. Before you giving date, you should enable this calendar. In description field, you can give some subtitles or you can give course outcome. Now I am giving in this session. Now in description, I am giving after completion of this course, you can separate and analyze the given organic mixture. This will appear near the course name link. In course summary files, you can add some images in below mentioned file types. Now I am clicking file picker and choose the file from my browser, organic separation, and upload this file. Now the file is open here. In course formats, you can select topic format or weekly format. If you choose topic format, the course will appear in the navigation block after you complete the process in topic 1, topic 2 and so on. If you chosen the weekly format, then it will appear as a sessions. For example, 25th May to 31st May, and the next session will be 1st June to 8th June. I am not having any sections in my course, so I am giving 0. In hidden sections, you can choose the options allow you to decide how your course are displayed to the students, whether completely invisible or shown in collapse form. In collapse form, it is usually grey in color to indicate where the hidden session is, even though the students cannot see the hidden activities. In course layout, I am giving show all sections on one page so that you can scroll down and see the contents in the same page. Other fields like appearance, files and uploads, completion tracking are optionals. You can leave as it is. After completing the process, click on Save and return. Save and display means it will lead to the next process, that is adding users, which we are going to see in next session. Now you can see the number of participants in this course is 0. So we are giving after completion of editing, save and return here. Now the course organic analysis is appear under the batch 1 category in course and category management page. Now we move on to site home and see how the course we created is available here. You can see the course full name and the image file you have uploaded and the description you have given in the description block. Now we successfully created categories, subcategories and courses. Thank you. Happy learning.